So it's always better to cover it more than a half. So for me, I can put here 50, 100, but I would choose a different scale. I can make this one 40, this one 80, so I will have the 100 here. So imagine that I have, this is my, sorry, so this is the 40, this is the 80, okay. This is the 80. If you can see that between 0 and 40, I have 40 milliamperes, and at the same time, I will have 10 small squares. That means that each small square represents 40 over 10, so it's 4 milliampere. Now, I will have 20 in the half of this big square, or after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is my 20. I can go to place the 60 here, and to place the 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 100. Now in this case, I covered more than a half, and at the same time, I still have a small space here that is enough to add more points. I will go here to the v-axis and do the same. I will have 1, 2, 3 big squares. I can add 2, 4, and 6. So well, the 5 will be in the middle. So I will do this 2, and this is 4. Having or dividing by a different scale, this is optional. You can choose your own scale. It depends on your taste, but you have to follow the rules, not to cover the whole paper, not to be in a very small region. So this is 5, this will give me the 3, this one will be the 1. So this is the second step. The third step will be going to add points. I'll go here, I will have 20, 1. So where is my 20? This is my 20 here. I can follow this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is, so I can follow this line going to reach the 1, and the 1 will go up here. So this is my 20. It will be just right here. This is the point. The second point will be 40 and 2. This is the 40 following this line here. 2, 2. And then 3, I will go here from 60. This is the point that give me, this represent the 60. Follow this line here. This is the horizontal line, and this is the vertical line. Now when the vertical line meet the horizontal line, this give me my point. Now I will go, this is the line that represent the 80. All the points that have 80 milliampere are located here, and these are all the points that have 4 volts. So my point will be here where they both meet. Now these are my points. I will go and find a ruler and choose the best line that I can get. Now this is the line that I got, and it can show you that it's a line that passed through the origin. Sometimes it's not that easy, it's not that accurate. Sometimes you would find some numbers here, points here or there, but the most important part is that the line should pass through most of them. So this is my line now, and I need to go to the next step and find out the slope, the physical slope of this line, calculate a physical value, a physical quantity, and find out what does it represent. Now the physical slope, rho, let's say called rho, it's equals to the change in the y over the change in the x. Now in my case, the y's represent the delta I, the change in the I, over the change in the v, which will give me I2 minus I1 over V2 minus V1. As my line passes through the origin, I can consider that one of these, let's say I1 and V1 equals to 0, and this will give me a chance to make this a little bit easier. So I will choose a value. Let's say that we'll choose 100 over 100, and it's corresponding to the 5 voltage. 100 milliampere over 5 volts equals to 100 times 10 to the power of minus 3 over 5 equals to 20. Let's say 20 times 10 to the power of 3. What is now the value for this? It's equals to, what's the value? What is the unit of this value? It's equals to ampere over volts.